What's going on, guys? It's Ryan with Mike Thompson's RV in Colton. Today we've got a beautiful floor plan. This is a 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2970 RL. Take a look. Starting here, you got a massive pass-through storage. You got magnet latches up at the top there, so you're not going to smack your dome when you're going to load your goodies in there. You actually get about 6 to 8 inches more pass-through storage height in an Imagine than you would most other travel trailers. So they utilize their space a lot better. You've got a powered tongue jack, so you're not going to have to sit there and hand crank while you guys are getting set up at the campground. You've also got some beautiful LED strips on the front cap here that are going to light up while you're going down the road. You got 2 massive awnings that are going to extend almost the entire length of the coach here. So you'll notice you've got some LED strips under there as well. That's going to enable you guys to hang out outside for a little bit longer, extend the nights, extend your mornings as well. All of your 2025 Imagines are going to come standard with a tire pressure monitor system built in, and they also have ABS brakes. So they're adding a lot of other safety features that aren't necessarily standard on travel trailers. It's going to make your ride a lot more smooth and give you guys some confidence while you're going down the road. You also have a 1-year no questions asked warranty on the tires, which is pretty nice as well. So obviously we're in the living space here. You've got 2 massive opposing slides here. It's going to open up plenty of walk space for you guys. Plenty of counter space to entertain some guests, right? If you guys are prepping a bunch of food, you've got counter space on the right side of the coach, and then you also have a massive island in the middle here. This, of course, turns into a bed if you guys do have some guests that join you for the night. You've also got storage here. USB plugs here for charging phones, all that good stuff. So they are loaded with quite a bit of technology as well. Beautiful entertainment center here, and they do still come with a stereo. So you've got JBL speakers throughout the entire coach. The beautiful space heater here. So for those of you that don't want to turn on the furnace or waste all of your propane, if you guys are hooked up to shore power, these things are graded for over 500 square feet. So question I get most of the time is it actually going to heat my coach? And this is more than enough. And if you guys want to throw a space heater in the bedroom, you're more than welcome to do so as well. Stepping into the kitchen, the number one question that I get or complaints from customers or multiple RVers is storage space. So you've got a massive pantry here. You've got cabinetry surrounding the entire kitchen here. Look how deep those go. Some pull-out drawers here for pots and pans. And this is a perfect little coffee station here. So of course you've got your USB plugs for charging phones or whatever, but you've also got hidden outlets underneath the cabinetry here. So they keep it nice and tucked away so it keeps a clean look, but you still get to utilize it as a coffee bar, hook up your blender, margarita machine, whatever you guys like to do while you're out there camping. This unit does come standard with 2 AC units and it is fully ducted. So what that means is you're going to get a much more even air distribution throughout the entire coach, and you actually get utilization of both ACs at the same time because this is a 50 amp coach. Awesome dinette here. Okay, they've got seating for 4. A lot of other travel trailers, you'll notice they'll just do a bench seat. They actually give you guys some room if you guys have some friends over, you want to play cards, or if you guys just love and enjoy eating dinner as a family. One thing I like that they've done with their 25s is they've done a lot of other LED strips here, right? So you get a little bit of a brighter illumination, and also these aren't going to go bad quite as quickly as your little bubble lights that you see in pretty much every other coach out there. Got a pretty decent sized bathroom here. They have plenty of room to change, get yourself ready. And for those of my taller guys, you do have a little bit better ceiling height in this. I'm about 5'10", and you still see I can turn around and have plenty of room to shower comfortably here. You do have a full-size residential queen. Okay, notice you've got hanging space with some hanging bars on this side here. And you've also got plenty of cabinetry up here. And a little bit of a hidden wardrobe in the corner here. So more hanging space, and here's your second AC. So for those of you who want to run both ACs and get utilization out of both, you can have the front one running, and then as long as you open up these dump valves here, this means the air is going to flow directly on you guys, so you guys are getting to use both of them even if you guys are just sleeping. So it's going to keep you guys nice and cool for any of my beach campers or people who go out to the desert and camp anywhere where it's a little bit warmer. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Just a quick breakdown of one of their most popular couples coaches. Perfect for full-timers or folks who are looking to just get out and go camping. If you like this floor plan or you want to see some others in the Imagine line, feel free to come out to Colton and ask for Ryan at Mike Thompson's RV.